What's up, everybody? It's Suazi. We're back. It's day 2. What up, y'all? Y'all ready? Almost. It's dark down here. There's some lights on. What? There we go. Yeah, we finna get some fucking food. We heading out. We're going to Rainbow Springs today. Couldn't even open that freaking door. Heading out to Airbnb. This shit's so lit. Finna hop in the Charger. Gotta load up first. Hey, you pregnant, Nick?
Yeah.
Nigga, I got plaques on trapping, pocket full of blues. Got them on nip, plug cover Houston. Got them on flip, guns from Atlanta.
And we at Target. Ashley needs to get some black bottoms to match her black top. And I want water shoes. Did you pick out your bathing suit?
Yeah.
Let's go find water shoes. This dude just told us to go to E22 and that there'd probably be water shoes. We got Thomas, man. We ain't got water shoes, but we got Thomas out here. Where did my friend go? Oh, there you are. I was like, oh, you guys found them? All right, well, they found the water shoes, and I was walking around lost looking for y'all.
All right.
And have goggles. That would be damn.
$30 for no reason. That should be like 10.
And we out from Target. Time to finally. Oh wait, no, we gotta get something to eat. There was a McDonald's right by. I was trying to hit McDonald's.
You're on the way.
True. We at McDonald's. Gotta get that. Rub time. Gotta get that food. Why? Yeah. Oh, then you go choose which spot you want.
Yeah.
Smart. There's a bitch driving there. Okay, so that's friggin' great. We just went to Rainbow slash Blue Springs, and there was a big sign in the front that said "at capacity, closed for the day." What kind of BS is that? Back. So now we're looking for a different place, and we in Dixie.
40 minutes away, and then.
That's what I was talking about. Closed for the day, at capacity, cones everywhere, all locked up. Baloney. Yeah, lock it. See you later, bitch. He said, alright, peace. Gotta
Oh wait, no, he has my card.
gotta leave him. Gotta leave him. See you later.
He has my food. This is the worst fucking backup shit.
Just find an Uber. We're like an hour away.
Should we keep going?
Just go park on the other side. He just flicked us off. Started eating. So we're finessing the hell out of him right now. Nick's in the trunk. Say hey, Nick. He said, "What the hell's going on?" We're on a dirt road now, and he's over there bumping in the back. Yo, we out here, Jenny Springs, day 2. What up, Nick? We got our rafts, getting a little lit today. Just a little bit. Hey, let this car pass. Sorry, suck my road. Sorry, not sorry. Shotgun jumped in. Sheesh. Oh yeah, it's just as freezing as yesterday. Is it really? As you can expect. I mean, it's just... No, give me my raft. Oh god. We're jumping in like yesterday. Oh man. This is so cold, bro. No. It's gonna start raining, the sun's not even out here. Where GoPro's just chilling, sitting up right now by itself. I ain't even holding it. What's up? Ashley, say what's up to the GoPro. What up? Huh? Yes, sir. Hold on. Yo. Say what's up to YouTube. We on the spring. I mean, I guess now it's kind of over. What do you want me to hold your stuff for? You're gonna get in the water? I'm gonna record that shit. Okay, go ahead, get in the water. Do it. Do it. Do it. Kayaks, look at them, they're flying. They're going everywhere. Yeah, trying to get drunk. What's up to YouTube? Holy shit. It started raining hard as hell. Are we dipping? This spring is so bad. I'm freezing. She's over there about to do the rope swing. Hopefully it quits raining. Oh my god. You got the rope. Oh yeah! This shit cold as hell. There ain't no ground for me to step on. I just climbed up this fucking root. But that'll work. Got my water shoes and shit. Alright, bet. It's fucking rainy. This shit is dope.
I gotta go on it.
But it sucks ass. Dude, what?
One of the tree limbs just like fucking collapsed.
What the hell?
On some, I don't know if it was on somebody. They just like fucking
It just fall over.
3, bro. Are there people over there? I'll throw them.
Alright, you gotta step on that right there and get ready to get in your shit.
I'll step
But-
on this. Just grab it with your foot right on.
Didn't happen. Nobody saw that. Whoa! Alright, Ashley, are you getting ready to fucking jump in a raft? There's nothing to step on. You just gotta jump in that shit, Ashley. You go ahead and go, and I'll jump in after. Alright. Now, this is up to my... Tell me why I thought that your phone was your top. I thought your phone was your top. But It's gonna be so cold, bro. Oh God. It's freezing. The GoPro fell off. Oh man. Whoa, there's a string. Anyone string? Whoa. Bet. Alright, that's what I wanted to happen. Coldest thing. My head?
Oh yeah.
What? What'd you just ask me? Can you see my head? What up, bro? Oh, y'all say what's up to the GoPro on my head. Oh, what did you ask, Kaylin? No, that is a boat ramp, not a float ramp. Okay?
Alec, don't start pedaling right now. Start pedaling right now.
We're done for.
We can just kick off.
I told you guys. I told you guys. Notice how we're the only ones out here on tubes? Isn't that pretty funny? That's 100 feet.
All of this is a lot more than 100
No, it is not. That's, I could easily, well, yeah, no, that looks like 100 yards. That's definitely a fucking football field. Those signs are bullshit. Why are y'all swimming? Chill, the current will take us. We'll be alright. Now no, look, we dislodged each other. He ain't stung the fuck out of me.
Oh shit, everybody.
What?
Oh,
What?
who are you? Oh shit. Who are you? Oh shit. Oh shit. Who are you? Who are you? Oh shit.
Sorry.
Who are you? I said, who you calling?
Ghostbusters.
We don't necessarily have to push so much anymore, except that we need to come back together. What happened, guys? Come back. Hey, these dragonflies are having sex. Oh, man. I have to pee so bad. Oh, we're still tied together. Oh, I just have to pee really, really bad. Is it a bathroom? It has to be. I have to piss so bad. Y'all trying to go over there?
No. I'll sit at the bench.
What do you mean? It's not that far. You'll sit at the bench? Dude, I have to piss so bad. Can't do that, bro.
It's not that kind of fish.
Nah, it's gotta happen right now. It's gotta happen. Oh my god, I have to piss. Got the GoPro off my head finally. Out the bathroom. Now we're ready to go. We gotta go meet Nick and Karen. Yo, met back up with Nick and Kaylin. What up? We found them. Is this the right way? How far did y'all go down? Hey? Dude, is this the right way? We made it. Back to Airbnb crib. Probably finna all go get showers and then get dressed and go get something to eat. Was fun. We didn't get to go to Devil's Den though. Hopefully we'll get to go sometime soon. Now, everyone is showered. Actually finally got out of bed. We are trying to find somewhere to eat. What are you doing? Don't you dare put that finger in my face.
Bro, I'm hungry. What the hell are we doing?
We're trying to figure that out right now, sir.
Taco Bell.
Where would you like to eat?
Taco Bell. Bro.
I'm thinking no. But look at this. We got this.
Little Caesars, dog.
Bro, look at this place, bro. Look at that.
Yummy to my big tummy.
Bro, stop.
Yummy to my big tummy.
Calzones, calzones.
That thing's huge.
What's that? We got that as an option. Buffalo Wild Wings.
Can I get a Hoya? Can I get a Hoya? Hoya, Hoya.
Nah.
Bro, pizza, I'm down. Hungry.
Directions to here. Don't touch my ear.
See, I told
You're
you.
disgusting, bro. Finally walking out the door. Me and Slick are taking the ZX. He's over here crawling into his trunk at the moment because this is what he has to do.
To unlock it. You know the fucking vibes.
Scrapage!
Find it.
Alright, so did we pick the best place ever?
Word. But is there an upstairs?
An upstairs? Had to do it. Can't wait to relate. This place is steam. We are at. We got our food. So we got a fat pizza, chicken parmesan, huge calzone. That's what I'm talking about. You just gave me this. Man, look, them two hoes fine. Holy shit. We're gonna turn on. I don't know. Probably up here.
But I said fuck it and went and spin it with Johnny Dane. Tell a nigga dope cocaine. I like the top of the stove. I ain't finna lay with no hoe. I put dick in the mouth, make her take off her clothes.